This is going to be a video tutorial on how to open File Explorer in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. I'm going to show you a couple different methods on how to open File Explorer in Windows 11. Both of them are very easy. The first method, you just go down to your taskbar down here. In this folder that's down here in the taskbar, if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says File Explorer. You just click on that, and File Explorer has opened. Another method, I'm going to close this, is to hold down the Windows logo key and then press the letter E. That's the keyboard shortcut for File Explorer, is the Windows logo key and E. That is two methods on how to open File Explorer in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.